Welcome to Modelworks Direct. In this video, we will customize this die-cast model of the 1951 Maisto Volkswagen Beetle. So let's start. At first, the model was disassembled, then the body of the car was sanded to remove some rusts. Then, a yellow primer was used before the final color of each parts. Now, let's paint the parts with their specific colors, based on the photos that the clients want us to replicate. Now that the painting is done, this is the finished painted parts of the 1951 convertible Volkswagen Beetle. We can now proceed to the assembling process. Finally, we're almost done with the building process of the customized die-cast model of the 1951 Maisto Volkswagen Beetle. Now, let's check the final product. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to check out other model building process by Modelworks Direct.